Hey guys, today we're going to learn a really easy song called Peter Gunn on the guitar. So to play Peter Gunn, all you have to do is play the low E string. And one of the first things I want you to try out is just working on doing that low E string with alternate picking, which is in a previous video. So alternate picking is just a down up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's all you're going to need to do for this song. The song sounds like this all the way through. So if you see, I'm using all 4 fingers, but if you're a beginner, all you have to do is use 1 or 2. So let's get started learning it. The first thing you're going to do is play the low E string 2 times. The next thing you're going to do is put your second finger down and then open. So that's on the 2nd fret. So low E, 2nd fret, open. Then 3rd fret, open. So let's review that. E, E, 2nd fret, E, 3rd fret. Let's try that again. Ready, go. E, E, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. And then the last time we're just going to go 5th, then 4th, 5th, then 4th. All together, and I'm only going to use 2 fingers just to show you that it can be done. All together it goes like this. Now you can do that using only downstrokes. So this is only downstrokes. But I want you to try to use the alternate picking technique like this. And just keep practicing it until you get up to speed of the actual song from Blues Brothers. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to see more videos, click subscribe above and check out some of my other videos. See you next time.